Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Cashapp with PNC Personal Bank. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can actually use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your account once you sign up. So once you sign up, you are going to reach a page that looks like this here. Go ahead and click on the profile icon on the upper right hand side, and then scroll down to where it says linked banks. So if you don't see the words linked banks, it might say something like linked cards. Go ahead and click on that. But in my case, I'm going to click on linked banks. And so what I found is that you do need to link your debit card in order to see this linked bank option appear. At the time of the recording of this video, it might have changed, but still, as you can see, my debit card is linked. So I do see the option to link a bank. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then afterwards, you're going to click on continue. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you see PNC. So go ahead and click on PNC, which is on the left-hand side. And then from here, the prompts are going to be pretty straightforward. You're just going to log onto your PNC account and then connect your bank from there. So that is how you link Cashapp to PNC. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your account once you do sign up. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.